In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smart Compose in Gmail. This feature is designed to make your email drafting process quicker and more efficient by providing you with predictive text suggestions as you type. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you compose well-written emails, saving you time and effort. Now let's dive into each step and get you started with using this handy tool. Firstly, the journey begins on your computer or mobile device. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com. In the search bar, you'll want to type in how to use Smart Compose in Gmail. Press enter, and soon you'll see a list of search results. Locate the link with a similar title that focuses on using Smart Compose. Click on it to access detailed instructions or a guide provided by Google. Once you've opened the relevant page, it's time to proceed to your Gmail account. You can do this by typing gmail.com in the address bar or selecting a pre-existing bookmark if you have one. Enter your login credentials if required, and you'll land on your Gmail homepage, your hub for managing emails. In the next phase, direct your attention to the settings. This is generally found on the upper right corner of your Gmail page and is represented by a gear icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu and select See All Settings. Doing so will transport you to the full settings panel, which includes various customizable features for your account. Within this settings panel, navigate to the General tab if it's not already selected. This tab is where you'll find many supporting features tailored for streamlining your email experience. Scroll through the list until you locate the Smart Compose section. Here, you'll see the option to turn Smart Compose on if it's not already activated. Make sure to click on the checkbox that enables Smart Compose to start providing suggestions as you type. Don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the settings page after making your selection and click Save Changes to apply this new setting to your account. Once saved, test out the Smart Compose feature by creating a new email. Click the Compose button on the left-hand side of your Gmail screen to open a new email draft. As you start typing sentences, you'll observe that Smart Compose automatically generates suggestions. If you like a suggestion, simply press the Tab key or right arrow key to accept it, seamlessly incorporating it into your message. Using Smart Compose in Gmail can dramatically enhance the way you write emails, improving both speed and clarity. It's like having a writing assistant that evolves to match your style over time, making predictions smarter with every keystroke. Enjoy the enhanced efficiency this Google feature brings to your emailing process, and let it help you focus on more critical tasks throughout your day.